The two option is a washing purpose. One is the tablet.
Okay.
If you have a Kaveri water, you can use the tablet. In this area, don't use the tablet. You need to use the three things: powder, salt, or rinse a liquid. Separate. You use it. So here add the powder or tablet. If you have a powder, add the 25 mark.
Okay.
You have a less vessels 15 mark. After put the powder, just lock it. This is
Okay.
great for opening purpose.
Okay.
So powder every time is required. And this is a flower like a rinse a liquid for shine and dry purpose. This liquid. So this one 120 ml capacity is there. Put it fully, sir.
Okay.
It will store inside. It will coming approximately 1 month.
Okay.
Once it getting over, same flower indication. It will show the display.
Okay.
This indication.
Okay.
After show indication only refill it.
Okay.
So if you put the rinse it, light will not come.
Okay.
And this one salt. Salt is mandatory.
Okay.
So without salt, it will create the white patches.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
1 kg capacity is there. Put it 1 kg also.
Which salt is it?
Softener salt, dishwasher separate salt.
Okay, separate salt is there.
So put it 1 kg also. This is also coming 1 month. And once it getting over, it show the indication that time refill it. And here you have one different plates, keep it one by one. Otherwise, this black part is adjustable. If you have a cooker and all, press it inside, you can unlock it.
Okay.
And here you can use the big vessels. All vessels keep it ulta. And here small plates, bowls. You have spoon, you can use this one also. Otherwise, just lock it, you can use the bowls. Wherever place is there, just load the vessels. Don't keep top of the vessel. And this black part also adjustable.
Okay.
And main maintenance before washing, please check the fan condition. Some vessels will touch the fan, it will not wash properly.
Okay. Okay.
And here you have a cutlery spoon knife and all, use this one.
Okay.
And this one height, less height is that. If you want to height adjustable, this one. Both sides also brake button is there.
Okay.
Just press it inside, you go down.
Okay.
Just pressing. If you want to normal height, just press it.
Okay.
And one more maintenance for food part, it will store in downside. So weekly twice, this black mark is there.
Okay.
Just unlock this one. Take it out, just pull it, do water wash. Weekly twice.
Okay.
Then lock it. After put it outside, air should be locked.
Okay.
Just unlock it and put. Lock it.
Okay.
So inside clear, sir.
Yeah.
So this is the main power on power off mode. Just on the machine, this 3 and this 3, total 6 program. Which one you want selected, this is the start button. So first one is 70 degree in case any heavy oily vessels. Wood is steel purpose.
Okay.
This one auto for daily purpose, like all kind of vessels.
Okay.
For eco, power and water saving purpose. Daily purpose, auto or eco, both are good.
Okay.
If you have a glass item, you can go for the glass. This one 1 hour program. If you have some light oily vessels, 1 hour program, you can go for this one. This is for rinsing purpose. You keep it lot of time covered lightly, dust is there. If you want to rinse with the water, you can go for this one. It will take 15-minute time. And along with this option, if you want, you can add the additional setting also. Like auto is taking 2 hours 45 minutes. You don't want that much time. If you want to speed wash, select the timer. First one.
Okay.
It will reduce the time, but it will take extra water, extra power. Speed wash is there.
Okay.
And this one intense one because with the automatic extra oily vessels, if you want to extra hot water wash, you can select this one. It will take a 2 hours 15 minutes. Then 5 minutes it will take extra. And on 3-4 washes, check it, sir. It is not drying properly. If you want to extra dry, you can add the dry also.
Okay.
And this two timer like a delay start. If you want to start after 1 hour or after 2 hours, how much one schedule and start it. Now it's showing H08. So after 8 hours it will stop. This is for minus reducing purpose.
Okay.
And this one machine care. So dishwasher you get a bad smell also.
Okay.
For scaling, smell cleaning purpose. Like this descaling liquid is there. So monthly once, half of the liquid just sprinkle inside, in everywhere. And go for the machine care and start it. 1 hour 30 minutes do empty work for machine cleaning purpose. Just on the machine, choose the program and start it. Okay. Do you have any doubts for here, sir?
No, clear.
That's it.